got a rear wheel problem. He has. Right, has it? Yeah, look. He's got a massive problem. He's got to come in for a wheel change. Not sure what it is. Could be anything. Could be a tyre off the rim. Could be a spokes issue. Could be anything. He could have made contact with the rider. Either way, up onto the stand, whip the wheel out. But it definitely a rear wheel problem. We saw it wobbling and shaking. Fortunately for Romain Febvre, he was able to pull into pit lane. Not often we see something like that, but you know what? It's going to cost him some World Championship points, that's for sure. He knew, didn't he? He came into land, he looked back, and he could see that there was an issue. He looked down again, saw it was wobbling away. So Febvre out of 5th. He's dropping down the leaderboard, obviously. We're going to see both the French riders, Febvre and Renault, lining up 26th and 27th on the gate for their races on Sunday. He's out of the top 20 now. Anything outside of the top 10 is a disaster because there are no World Championship points on offer for Febvre in that scenario. Yeah, he's in 26 now as he rejoins the race. Rejoins the track through the sweeping turn there.